Here I've got Doogee Mix, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts, and now select the contact that you would like to add profile picture to. In my case it's Tim. Then click on edit icon, which is the pen one, and now tap on the profile picture. Here you can either take a photo or choose one from your gallery, and I will choose one from my gallery. Let's open the gallery. And let me pick this one. Now you can crop it and personalize it as you only want to, then click on done, and finally tap on confirmation mark, and that would be all. From now on, every time Tim will be calling me, I will be able to see this profile picture, so also once you add the profile picture to some particular contact, you will be able to see the picture once the contact is calling you. So that's basically all, so you can quickly and easily add photo to a contact in your device in your Doogee Mix. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.